Hello everyone, welcome back to part 2 of opening my Happy Mail from Debbie. And so I have this one more item to open. I'm just very delighted with everything that she sent to me. Oh my gosh, Debbie, this is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh wow, it looks like a book. And she put, well, let me start here. She gathered a piece of lace and then she put a lace flower in the center, and these little flowers, stickled stamen, and these pearl sprays and these flat back pearls here on both sides. And I love these little details on each corner. I like how you combine the pink and the green that match the flowers. Very, very subtle, just lovely. And this crochet trim around, this is a very really small crochet trim, and the tiniest of pearls, pearl trim around. Very pretty. And she covered this book in this very pretty fabric and put these flat back pearls as feet, and put this beautiful lace trim around the edge all around the book. And for closure she put this crochet trim. Very lovely. Can you open this now? Oh my goodness, it's like surprise after surprise. How lovely this trim is. She went all the way around with this trim, and she put this piece of fabric here on the inner part of the lid. So now let's see what's in here. Oh wow, how pretty. Look at these fabrics, each of them so beautifully presented. Let me just show you how elegant, how beautiful. This beautiful fabric of, this is like it's a mauve lace, and it's sheer. I love it. Well, I don't want to undo everything because it was wrapped so beautifully. And look, take a look at this presentation. I don't want to undo this, unravel, because it's so pretty the way it is. But you can have an idea by kind of looking at it like that. So wonderful. And the beige one, well, I'll just open it and see. Such great colors. Look how pretty that is. Yeah, it's a beautiful box. She put this paper that matches perfectly with this fabric and everything else. I love this lace trim that she used all the way around the box. Very beautifully done. Well, Debbie, these are all items that I will treasure. I am very grateful and touched by your kindness and generosity. Like I mentioned before, Debbie's crafting style is the kind of style that brings me back to my childhood and speaks to my heart. I admire her work so much, and I am honored to have these wonderful, beautiful, gorgeous pieces made by her. It means a lot to me, Debbie. If you haven't visited her channel, I highly suggest that you do. You will be inspired. She's a wonderful, sweet lady. And what else can I say? I'm just very, very touched. Thank you, Debbie. I will write to you soon. And thank you, everybody, for watching. I'll talk to you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.